All right, this is Adeline, and we are making a special Valentine's present for Gigi. And it looks like this. This is the LEGO Bouquet of Roses. And we're going to put this together. Are you ready?
Yes!
Oh my goodness.
Do I have to build it with you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. First, let's set bags 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here.
I'm going to do number 1.
Number 1, open it and dump them out right here. Oh, little tiny pieces. So number 1, we're looking for the green square. Green square. And it looks like a little hingy thing.
How?
I know what we should do. We should do a time lapse of this.
A what?
A time lapse. Are you ready?
It's a time lapse.
I'll show you. All right, that was us assembling 2 of these roses. Pops may do the others. Adeline wants to go ride on the scooter. Thank you very much. Good job. High five.
Do your thing!
All right.
Hi guys.
This is, what's your name?
This.
And Rose is going to help me assemble Gigi's Valentine's flowers, which are Legos. I'm going to dump all these things out.
This is what you do.
This is what they look like when they're finished. You have a stem, and Adeline helped me put these together. And that's what they'll look like.
Oh no, hurry.
Means there's 10 more flowers we have to make before Valentine's Day. Can you help me do that? All right. We have already assembled flowers number 1. Now we're going to assemble flowers number
2.
Stump them out. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay.
Alright, there we go. Now I'll go put them. Happy Valentine's Day! I hope you enjoy your flowers, Gigi.
Me too.